again, also the momentum is really important, getting the maximum you can out of that dive. A variety of different big roll snaps, you can go down to the top and get a few touches out of it as well, and a touch of the propeller, which essentially just takes over, and the aircraft maneuvering in opposite rotation. Exhausting stuff, 10 minutes of this is not for the light-headed or light-hearted as before. Again, the stick going all over the cockpit there and the rudder's plane as well. Modifications of this aircraft include the titanium landing gear, cowling and induction system, fuel injection, exhaust and smoke system, you can see for yourself. By virtually all the words and modifications itself, to put in such a vast range of hammerheads, pinwheels, torque rolls, and his trademark high alpha knife edge, which you'll see again at the end. Good win in the jet pits. Especially clear to do that at low level. There you go, the wing whale. Well, certainly a very delightful for these aircraft generally coming out of the whilst being equally in the touring role as well. So, well presented, it's a good aircraft to handle, flexible, minutes as well. And there you go with the Delta underside. And there's a very synchronised manoeuvre. There's that quarter turn that goes into it. Alright, roll there, just pull out. Formation 1, 2, 3 and 6. And again from my right hand side. In box to complete their box barrel roll. So going outside the massively huge old beer barrel, and again the synchronisation required here is much more simple than you imagine. Either flying the straight line, moving steady while seeing others replicating the movement in different control units. So 4 and 5 coming in now, they'll be pulling up, just holding the cloud centre whilst the main formation repositions. Putting in that little quarter turn. Now, we have to take past the 4 and 5 driving to make formation now, right line. In inside there. 126 in front there as number 3, the Wells, just wrapped around on the side over here. They all come back in together in delta formation. flying. It's lovely to see. One of the best displays I think we have left in on the circuit this time. It's a fairly well-known name amongst the rugby fraternity. I haven't played an awful lot of rugby Wales, New Zealand, South Africa. A successful businessman and also done a vast amount of having the Carnival site as the foreship arrives back in front of us. It's getting a little bit cloudy and drizzly, but so far visibility is still very, very good. Now once this pulls in alongside him there, Russ replicating the manoeuvre, staying alongside. They go over the top, they tuck their heads back over there behind them to check the wings are level, to ensure the stability, and the aim being to come out of the bottom and here, breaking into the right. Just acknowledging the team breaking off, where we cover them.